Please read the disclaimer. XRP, this is it. Hello, beautiful people. Shalom, moneymakers. This week, we are going to find out where is the market going. Is XRP, is Bitcoin, is the crypto market going to recover off of this sell-off going into Thanksgiving, right? Or are we going to continue to be in a kangaroo market or even a bear market and start, sludging to the downside or even consolidating? I think this week we'll find out, right? Today, XRP and other ISO 222 tokens or tokens that have been related to that protocol are doing good. It's not just XRP. I'll show you in just a second. We'll talk about what Secretary Bessent said about recession in the US, and we'll look at what the Fed could potentially do and how that has affected the crypto market in the past. All I ask from you is that you give me a beautiful smile to send out those good vibes. Smishity smash that like button. Let's try to get 1,000 likes on this video. I'm going to take a sip. It's actually empty. I forgot to. Oh, I see it's on the green screen. It looks weird. Yeah, where were we? Okay, let's get into it. Currently, XRP is sitting at $2.07. So XRP up 6% on the day. You can see XRP broke out from the resistance level there. And my position that I opened up on our partner BYDFI is already up 20%. Okay, so XRP is up 6%, but that position is up 20% because I did use some leverage. Okay, and that's the beautiful part of leverage. That's the tool that can help us. Of course, leverage can be very, very risky. We experienced that on October 10th, but on a small leverage with stop losses and with risk management outside of a black swan event like October 10th, it's okay, right? Of course, if you're doing 50x, 100, that's no. But that's why I decided to open up lower leverage positions. The Bitcoin one is just now back into the green, but the XRP one is up already pretty nicely. And we'll see how XRP will continue potentially its movement here. Now, it's not just XRP. We also have Algo that's up 5%. We have HBAR that's up 12%. And we have XLM that's up 7%. So all these, assets that sometimes move together are moving after yesterday, November 22nd, which was the last day that people that were using the protocol could use the old version, right? And now they have to use the new version of messaging, okay? And so from today it started, and so we're seeing these assets react positively. Furthermore, Bitcoin is up again 2.7%. Ethereum is up a little bit. Sol is up a little bit. Solana, 3.67%. So, that's happening. By the way, if you are interested in signing up to our partner, BYDFI, we are having a competition or a giveaway here of $10,000 worth of XRP. That's going to be given away according to how much you trade. Okay, so we're going to be giving out a lot of do-re-mi here. And so if you're interested, link is in the description down below. You can also get these bonuses according to how much you deposit. And in the Telegram group, the free Telegram group, there's also going to be a extra Telegram group for whales where you can have one-on-one access to me and a representative from BYDFI, ask questions, any problems. So that's a big upgrade, a big thing that that other exchanges might not give us or not have. So if you're interested, link is in the description down below, and see if you're qualified for the group. You can get there going through my website. and clicking here on BYDFI. You can also sign up to the other partners. Again, if you use my links, it helps out the channel. That's the best way to support the channel, is using the affiliate links. And then I will get a commission if you're already trading. So that way you can support the channel. But please, please, please trade responsibly. Okay. Again, we can make a lot of money with leverage, but we can also lose a lot of money with leverage. So please be careful out there. And also, we have the birthday giveaway. If you're interested, you have to subscribe to the channel, follow me on X, and join the free Telegram group. And then we're giving away $100 for my birthday. I'm giving out a gift to the community. You could say for Black Friday or something like that. Also, we'll nudge Black Friday in that also. Do you have any Black Friday deals? Like, are you anticipating? Let me know in the comment section. Are you buying a new TV? Are you buying a new PlayStation? What are you guys doing here for Black Friday? Any good deals at the mall or online? The mall is crazy on Black Friday. I worked 1 year. And I sold stuff in the mall, and it was like a sea of people. It was the most people I've ever seen in a mall in my life. So yeah, that was an experience. But anyway, let's get back to the program. We'll see what happens with the market again. Today we're seeing green, but Sunday, it's a very tricky day. Many times Sunday will start out a certain way, and then by the time I go to sleep, and we go into Monday morning or Sunday night in the US, I've seen many times sell off. Now that I'm thinking of it, last year, or was it 2 years ago, we had a big sell off. I think it was 2 years ago. Was it post Thanksgiving or before Thanksgiving? I can't remember. But whenever you have a shortened week, there can always be shenanigans. So again, watch out for that. We're going to find out this week where the market is headed. I've seen, actually, interestingly, some people that were calling for the market to pull back from when Bitcoin was around 120 and said that we're going to see a 20-30% drop here, are now saying that we could be flippening, right? So again, we'll see. Everything we talk about in this video, of course, is just my opinion, what I am seeing, what I am doing, of course, only for educational purposes and entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence before you decide to invest. Also, remember that I will never contact you on social media. I won't follow you. I won't befriend you. Okay, they're scammers, imposters. Please be very careful. Okay, everything that I have that it's official and it's me is here in the description or linked on the YouTube page. That's it. Everything else is not me. My stuff, my personal stuff, is private, and that the only things that have to do with the Moneymaker channel is written in the description. Okay, so it will be very interesting to see what happens here. Secretary Bessent says the entire economy is not at risk of a recession. Right? Interesting. This is a funny meme. Take off, you see, all the AI, right? And then put on the glasses. It's just a magnet pulling the. When the Secretary of Commerce says, Treasury Secretary says something like this, hey, of course he could be, giving us some mumbo jumbo, but you have to listen to what he's saying. And when you have a situation where the Fed is going to be ending QT, right, from December 1st, which is not that far off. Fed ended QT in September of 2019 and started QE in March 2020. During that time frame, Bitcoin went down 65%, while Alt's Bitcoin went up 90%. This time, Fed will end QT on 1st of December. With altcoin sentiment already at all-time lows, could we potentially see a reversal here? And again, this is the question. We'll see what happens here this week. I want to see Sunday pass, Monday pass, and then we can get a little bit of a feeling, because I think it was 2 weeks ago where the market was looking okay Sunday, and then Monday we had this big sell-off. Right here. It was a few weeks ago. Right? We were okay, weekend, right? We're coming back, right? We're coming back. And then suddenly we had two really bad red days. And then actually last month, the 10th was okay, but then we started, coming down. So it will be very interesting to see, again, going into this holiday weekend, what is going to happen. Wow, it's just very fast and furious, this pullback on Bitcoin and Ethereum. XRP is a little bit less, but still, XRP is down a lot over the past few weeks. And again, if we're looking at the weekly, XRP is at the bottom of the stochastic RSI. Bitcoin is at the bottom, right? Ethereum is at the bottom, right? So when we were at the bottom here, it came back up, but it hit at the bottom here, and then it kept on for a few more weeks coming down. Here it was at the bottom and it didn't come up. So it doesn't mean that if we hit the bottom, for sure we're going to come up, but it gives us an indication that this is a potential for recovery here. Again, we'll see. I am not a prophet. I don't know exactly what's going to happen. I don't know day to day how the market is going to react to certain things. And I take specific risks. I open my positions, and maybe I'll be right, maybe I'll be wrong. Our goal in trading, especially, is to have more rights than wrongs. That's how you grow your portfolio. Okay, so very, very important to remember that. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, now's the time to do so. Follow on Twitter and join the Telegram group, and you can be eligible for the raffle. Also, don't forget about BYDFI. If you're interested, you can get the link in the description down below. Sign up here and start trading, and you can be eligible for that giveaway. Again, it is an affiliate link, and I will get a commission. Drop a comment, 8 for infinity and beyond, and don't forget to smash that like button. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.